Hi, my name is Philip. I was born in the United States of America, but I have been living in Slovenia for the past 6 years.
Filip pogreša prijatelje in sorodnike. Vesel je, ko lahko med počitnicami odpotuje v Oklahomo, ki je ena od 50 zveznih držav v ZDA.
We usually go fishing, walking around, going to a basketball court, playing basketball.
Če primerja Oklahomo in Slovenijo, pravi, da je narava tukaj lepša, se obožuje gore, tudi temperature so tu vse leto znosnejše.
People in America are as nice as they used to be. They have a lot of phones and mainly text and not really talk.
Poglejmo še nekaj značilnosti ZDA. Glavno mesto je Washington, prebivalcev je skoraj 150krat več kot v Sloveniji, ZDA so velike za okoli 475 Slovenij. Doma in v šoli se veliko pogovarjajo tudi o ameriških predsedniških volitvah.
Leading efforts that they put into some security and the technological advancements are important to the world, and the leader that is running the United States should be a good one and know what people believe in.
A Filip raje kot predvolilno kampanjo spremlja ameriški nogomet. Tudi v Sloveniji ga igra v moštvu Mustang.
This is the pads and helmets for football because this is a very aggressive sport.
And why do you need this?
Because the contact that you have with other players starts with the shoulders. So that's why they're called shoulder pads.
Po napornem treningu prija tudi okrepčilna hrana in ZDA so seveda znane po hamburgerjih.
There's a lot of fattening foods in America because to make it taste better and to make it appeal more to people and sell it more.
V ZDA so tudi palačinke drugačne od naših.
Slovene pancakes are a lot thinner and are rolled up, while American pancakes are fluffier and bigger.
Palačinke polijeva še z javorovim sirupom, medtem pa mi Filip pove, da bi se, ko bo čas za študij na univerzi, rad vrnil v ZDA.